Time for another Chalk Couture project. Today we'll be using the box frame. This one's 5.5 by 7.5, $9.99. Designed inside the box frame or on the back for two different looks. We'll also be using the Have Courage Transfer, the Garden Herb Chalkology Paste, and the Wildberry Chalkology Paste. Also say hello to our multi-tool. This multi-tool gives you the ability to push down your paste on one end and use a nice, even, small edge for transferring a paste onto small, intricate transfers. First, we'll line up our transfer inside the whitewashed part of our box frame. Make sure it's in the center, and once you have found that you have it in the perfect spot, use our large squeegee to make sure you have everything adhered to that box frame so your paste doesn't seep underneath the transfer. Now you can use the multi-tool or you can use the tool God gave you and apply small little dollops of the garden herb all over the transfer. Using a wet wipe, clean off your finger and do the same thing with the Wildberry Chalkology Paste. Make sure to have wet wipes at your disposal so you can clean off your fingers in between this part. I just smear the paste around in a circular motion and move on to the Wildberry. It's okay if you pick up a little bit of the other colors because we do want the mixture, as this will give us a lot of different shades of color. The nice thing about the large squeegee is you can remove the handle for even more versatility. Using the large squeegee, remove the excess paste. Now this paste is mixed, so we won't be able to save it, but that's okay. I do have a little bit of a mistake at the bottom of my frame. I will use a wet wipe to clean that off to make sure we have a nice, beautiful finished product. I wanted a little bit more Wildberry, so I smeared a little bit more on, and this part never gets old, the reveal. Just look at that. I still have a little bit of green at the bottom, not a big deal. We'll use the wet wipe to clean that up and remove any Chalkology paste out of the way because now we are going to use our hairdryer to dry this. You don't want to dry out your paste. But look at that. I love how the garden herb and Wildberry mix to give us all those beautiful colors. What do you think? Thanks for watching.